AST Selective Wave Wind Welding. In order to meet the through-hole components welding development requirements, and invented a special form of wave soldering. Mainly used in automotive, electronics, aerospace, medical film library and other fields, selective welding process, including flux spraying, PCB board preheating, selective welding module, flux spray, programmed by software, through high-precision nozzles, accurate quantification, spray flux to the PCB at the designated position. To achieve high-definition circuit board and the minimum ion pollution. The preheating process varies according to the product process. It can be preheated by infrared or hot air reflux. Preheating has top and bottom preheating components can be independent temperature control. Welding process can be divided into drag welding and spot welding. The wave front nozzle is controlled by software programming, moves precisely in X, Y, and Z in 3 directions. And according to the different solder joints, select the corresponding wave height, welding time, and other parameters to complete high-frequency, high-quality welding. AST selected wave soldering has the following characteristics. High precision, repeated positioning accuracy. To ensure high-quality solder joints, the industry's first mark point positioning system and rapid image programming. The welding process is visualized by CCD, and the whole welding quality tracking is realized. Fully meet the heat absorption and complex PCB board welding requirements, according to the changes in production capacity, to provide the most economical configuration of the assembly line. AST focuses on the best solutions in the welding field. To provide you with the most scientific choice, the most professional service.